Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to swap data in Excel, step by step. If we need to arrange values, switch columns, or fix misplaced information, this tutorial will help us do it quickly and correctly. Now, on the Microsoft Excel dashboard, let's look at an example. Suppose we want to swap data because the date and the item number are not in the right place. All we need to do is highlight the date, column, or cell that we want to move. Once we highlight it, we simply hold the Shift key on the keyboard and move to the corner of the highlighted area. As we point the cursor to any of the corners, it will change to a cross shape. Now, we can drag the selection to the cell where we want to move the data. As we drag it to the new location, the data will move there. If we highlight it again, we can move this column to another place, and it will shift there. This is how we swap data in Excel. With this method, we can explore different ways to swap data in Excel, such as using drag and drop, cut and paste, or simple formulas. Now we know how to swap data in Excel.